Open the X-ray detection software. Get the image. Click the X to open the X-ray. Enter the voltage and current value. Precise control. CNC programming automatic positioning. The tube and plate Z-axis are lifted up, down. And the stage Y, X-axis is moving. Automatically calculate the void rate of single or multiple BGA bubbles. Position detection, brightness and contrast adjustment. HDR one-click image enhancement function. The R-axis is tilted at 70 and the Q-axis is rotated 360 horizontally. Self-save picture. Automatic distance measurement. CNC programming automatic detection.